But even though the students state about his theoretical and the lack of knowledge towards practical, the Nightingale finally decide that he is the true lover, which he found in his whole life. The Nightingales seem to be misunderstood the utterances of the young students towards the professor's daughter. Also, he later his sacrifice for the true love towards the materialistic love towards the young student and the professor's daughters is uh, useless at the last moments, and the resolution of this froze. As here, the Nightingale is doesn't is seem to be lack of knowledge towards the young, corrupted human beings, as he, without thinking deeply, he realizes that this young student is a true lover. But then he started his journey to fulfill his true love and find a red rose for in all over the area, and he flew in search of the red rose all over the area. And he in the next utterances he further says that the princess gave a ball tomorrow night, and my love will be of the company. If I brought her red rose, she will dance with me till dawn. Here, the um, appearance of the professor's daughter is clearly emphasized, as she will lean her head upon my shoulders, and uh, she will have no fear of me. My heart will break, and his feet will not touch the floor, as his appearance is clearly protest in the